Na-experience mo ba yung nasa trabaho ka o kahit nung nasa school ka, na pag halimbawa, yung mga inaakala mong barkada o kaibigan mo may lakad, yung huli kang niyayaya, ikaw yung huling nai-inform. Meron? Masakit yun, di ba? That's not really a good feeling, no? Kaso, nangyayari talaga yun eh, no? Hindi mo alam kung sila ba ang may problema, or minsan, you cannot discount the fact na baka mamaya ikaw din pala ang may problema. Nonetheless, whatever is wrong, whoever is wrong, whichever is wrong, you have to accept the fact that that's the reality. May mga pagkakataon talaga na sabihin natin hindi ka talaga pipiliin or hindi ka pipiliing makasama kahit ng mga kaibigan mo. And that's okay. That's their perspective. That's their preference. Pero, ikaw in yourself, you have to make sure that you accept yourself for whoever you are. Kasi sabi nga nila, walang ibang unang-unang tatanggap o walang ibang tatanggap o walang unang tatanggap sa sarili mo kundi ikaw. Pero may caveat ako doon. Kasi baka mamaya kaya ayoko nilang kasama, meron ka naman talagang kailangan improve mo sa sarili mo. And that is something that you can work on actually. Do not think of yourself as a lesser person. You are important. You matter. See you next video.